Sometimes people fucking are weird. I don't get it. Is it recording? Yes. Alright, so do we got a Fenty dupe or no? Do we got a Fenty dupe? 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 My titties look huge, 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 huge. They so cute though. Come through, titties. I got some good titties. I like the way they sit. Like, look how they sit. Okay, I'm pushing them up right now, but even when they down, like, look, they some good titties. They don't have like that. Never mind. Let me stop. So y'all, I literally just took my rollers out. It is, what time it is? It's 9 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. I woke up at like 8 something. Went and got the free breakfast. I went and got the free breakfast from downstairs, and then I was like, let me shoot this video. So I just went ahead and did my eyebrows and put some mascara on, put a little glow on, and y'all about to get this video because I don't feel like doing too much because I'm about to get right back in the bed. Okay. I got a Fenty dupe, y'all. Kinda. So I just got this Fenty uncensored lip stunner paint. Okay, I just got this. And when I put it on, I'm like, wait, this shit really reminds me of my good old handy dandy Sephora. I guess it's lip paint too. Shit, if you ask me, it's lip paint. But it's called a lip stain. This is my favorite. We got paid today. We did? We got paid today. What? You sure? Hold on, bitch. Okay, because I had a few things I was gonna wait till the 15th, but I guess they'll get done today. Okay. Favorite red lipstick. Actually, it's my favorite lipstick. Like, it's my favorite lipstick. I think this is $14 and this is $24. So there's a $10 difference. I wouldn't normally spend $24 on a lipstick, but since I was doing a Fenty review, that's why I went ahead and got this lipstick. Not really a Fenty review. I was just, you know, saying Fenty was restocked or whatever. That's why I went ahead. It's hot in here. Jesus. What I was saying? Oh my God, I'm so sleepy. In the color 1. And this is my favorite fucking lipstick. Favorite. And swatch the Sephora lip stain. These shits look just the same. A tad bit difference. And the difference that I see, I'm gonna get it in the light. The difference that I see is that the lip stunner, which is up here, this is the lip stunner, and this is a Sephora. The lip stunner is a tad bit darker. I'm showing you in sunlight, so this is the true colors of these. The lip stunner is a tad bit darker, and the lip stunner has a deeper coverage than the Sephora. See, the Sephora one is kind of blotchy, and the lip stunner is not. It's much more smoother. Now, in the, you know, when I back it up, I'm in the shade, it looks like the Sephora one is darker, and the lip stunner, the stunner lip paint, whatever, is lighter. But actually, I think the lip stunner is, you can see in the light, it's actually darker. It's just that the lip stunner has more of a orange vibrant tint, and the Sephora does not. But in the light, it looks like this lip stunner is darker. Kind of does, I guess. The Sephora lip paint is still my favorite, even though I have the lip stunner. This color is beautiful on me. This color is beautiful on me. So, and I have dark skin. I like them both, but the lip stunner is extremely drying. It is extremely drying. it's like not even funny. So in the Sephora, it's not as drying. So here we go. This is the Sephora. This is just one dip into the container. That is the Sephora. Now this is the lip paint. The Stunna lip paint applicator is a bit different. It's not gonna focus. I don't know what's wrong with my camera. It's acting stank. Uncensored is on this side, and the Sephora #1 lip stain is on this side. The Sephora #1 is drier. I mean, it has time to dry a little bit more than the Sephora. So I guess when the Sephora dries a little bit more, maybe it might be a little darker, but I'll show you the swatches. Remember, this right here is the Fenty, and this right here is the Sephora. And I feel like my lips kind of mimic the swatches. Like the Fenty still looks a bit more orange, and then the Sephora looks a bit more closer to burgundy, but I'm still going to go with that the Fenty is deeper. If you have on red, they will both complement, you know, your outfit. If you have on red, I would buy the lip stain before I buy the lip paint, because the lip stain is cheaper, and I'm a cheapskate. But not a cheapskate, but I just don't like to spend a lot of money on makeup, which is cool. Everybody spending money on their own thing. You know, it's beautiful. And if you don't have $24 to spend on lip paint or lip stain, then you can spend $14, which is still expensive, but you save yourself $10 and it's still beautiful. See how it looks in the sun? Let me see. Let me show y'all. In the sun, they look the same, bitch. So, what you saying? What I'm saying is, it's a dupe. I say it's a dupe. Don't be trying to come in close on me. Don't try to come in close so you could tell. Don't be trying to come in close on me, girl. It's a dupe. It's the, look. It's the same thing. You can't tell. Okay, save yourself $10, sis, and get the Sephora. Get the Sephora lip stain. Fenty Beauty is beautiful. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. But sis, if you don't got the $24, go ahead and spend the $14. I know $14 is a lot too. Listen, if anybody know, I know. But if you trying to stunt, sometimes you gotta spend a little money. Spend a little money when you trying to stunt. Like, you know, Valentine. Sis, Valentine's Day coming up. Everybody wear red on Valentine's Day, but everybody ain't gonna have on these lipsticks. They gonna go ahead and put on their little CoverGirl red lipstick, and sis, you gonna be doing it because you gonna have on a lip stain. So go ahead, go on and get you the Sephora. If you got it, go ahead and get you the Fenty. But if you don't, go ahead and get you the Sephora lip stain. And the color 1, it is the same. I'm calling it a dupe. I like them both. I will use them both. I'm going to use this one more than I use this one because this one is cheaper. Okay, no shade. I'm just saying it's cheaper. So like I said, I'm calling it a dupe.